if we look on social media, we see the buzzword there, scale your business, grow your business, six-figure business, seven-figure business. But what do you really mean by scaling your business? What is that? Is that the same thing as growing, or are they different?
All right, so it is different, Keisha. So and I think many times we use our words loosely. So we sometimes interchange scaling and growing, but they are not the same thing. So in growing your business, you're putting a lot of capital in. So you're increasing your resources. So you're getting more staff, more physical locations, increasing your inventory. So growth is really putting in capital and increasing your assets. That's what growth is all about. Now, scaling, on the other hand, is increasing your revenue, but not increasing your resources. So let us look at an example where you had a brick and mortar. So you have a shop and persons would come and buy your items that you're selling. But then you put in a website, right? And now you have international customers. So now you're able to sell more, but you never put in 20 more shops and you never increased their inventory right away. It was gradual. There was gradual growth over a period of time. So that's the difference between scaling and growing. So a lot of persons who are growing are those persons who might have gone on the Jamaica Stock Exchange and have garnered all of this capital to now plug into the business to increase, to create, to execute on their strategies, and maybe to add more brick and mortar, meaning more branches, putting in a lot more equipment, employing new staff. So that was growing is, but scaling is not with so much resources, but increasing your revenue by just using maybe a channel like the internet to get more customers in without spending a lot of money.
So that means then we have to think about growing first. So as I
Um,
start my business, do I have to grow it, then I scale it?
Not necessarily, because you have to have the competencies, Keisha, to grow your business. And the competencies are really around you being able to borrow money from the bank, or you being able to get an investor
Right.
who will be able to throw in a lot of money. So scaling, though, is just, you can be, you obviously you must have the business acumen, right? We can't eliminate that, but you must be able to, you don't have to have a lot of money to scale, is the point I'm making.